Ever felt like your business is a runaway train, and you're desperately trying to lay down the tracks as you go? Like you're drowning in spreadsheets, your data is scattered across a dozen different systems, and you're spending more time firefighting than actually growing? Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to. You're here because you're thinking about NetSuite, right? You've heard the buzzwords, cloud ERP, unified platform, business transformation. Maybe you've even seen a demo, and you're intrigued. But the big question looms. How do you actually get started? How do you create a NetSuite account and unlock all that potential? That's what we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, diving into a powerful system like NetSuite can feel intimidating. There's a lot to consider, and you want to make sure you're doing it right from the start. Before we jump into the how-to, let's take a moment to understand why you might be looking at NetSuite in the first place. You're likely experiencing some common pain points. Data silos, your sales, marketing, finance, and operations teams are working in separate systems, leading to fragmented data and a lack of visibility. Inefficient processes, manual tasks, and outdated workflows are slowing you down and increasing the risk of errors. Limited scalability. Your current systems can't keep up with your growth, hindering your ability to expand. Lack of real-time insights. You're making decisions based on outdated information, missing out on opportunities and reacting too late to challenges. NetSuite addresses these challenges by providing a unified platform that integrates all your core business processes. It's designed to give you a 360-degree view of your business, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and streamline your operations. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, creating a NetSuite account. The process isn't as straightforward as signing up for a social media account. NetSuite is a powerful enterprise-level solution, and its implementation requires careful planning and consideration. Step 1. Understanding your needs and choosing the right edition. Before you even think about creating an account, you need to understand your business requirements. NetSuite offers various editions and modules tailored to different industries and business sizes. Are you a small startup or a large enterprise? What specific modules do you need? E.g., financials, CRM, inventory management, e-commerce? What are your integration requirements? NetSuite representatives can help you assess your needs and recommend the appropriate edition. This is a crucial step, as choosing the wrong edition can lead to unnecessary costs and implementation challenges. Step 2. Contacting NetSuite sales and requesting a demo/consultation. The best way to start the process is to contact NetSuite sales directly. You can do this through their website or by phone. Request a demo to see NetSuite in action and understand how it can address your specific needs. Schedule a consultation with a NetSuite representative to discuss your requirements and get personalized advice. This is the time to ask every question you have. Do not hold back. Step 3. Discussing pricing and contract terms. NetSuite's pricing is based on several factors, including the edition you choose, the number of users, and the modules you require. Be prepared to discuss your budget and negotiate contract terms. Understand the different pricing models and payment options. Clarify the contract terms and conditions, including implementation fees, support costs, and renewal policies. Get everything in writing. Step 4. The implementation process. Once you've signed a contract, you'll work with a NetSuite implementation team or a certified partner to set up your account and configure the system to meet your needs. This process typically involves data migration, system customization, and user training. Implementation timelines can vary depending on the complexity of your requirements. This is the most critical time to communicate your needs. Step 5. Training and support. NetSuite provides comprehensive training and support to help you get the most out of the system. Take advantage of online resources, training courses, and support documentation. Consider working with a NetSuite partner for ongoing support and customization. Do not neglect this step. Important considerations. NetSuite partners. NetSuite partners are certified companies that specialize in NetSuite implementation and customization. They can provide valuable expertise and support throughout the process. Data migration. Migrating your data from existing systems to NetSuite can be a complex process. Plan carefully and ensure that your data is accurate and complete. Customization. NetSuite is highly customizable, but it's important to balance customization with best practices. Change management. Implementing a new ERP system can have a significant impact on your organization. Develop a change management plan to ensure a smooth transition. Security. NetSuite is a cloud-based platform, so security is paramount. Ensure that you understand NetSuite's security measures and implement appropriate security controls. Integration. If you need to integrate NetSuite with other systems, plan carefully and ensure that the integrations are seamless. Long-term vision. NetSuite is a long-term investment. Consider your future growth plans and ensure that NetSuite can scale with your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.